Hey there, fellow cell phone repair shop owners. Today we're diving into a game-changing solution that will transform the way we run our businesses. Imagine a smart management software that streamlines every aspect of your operation, making it more efficient and profitable. No more juggling between different software for inventory, accounting, or customer relationship management. This all-in-one smart management software integrates all these functions into one user-friendly platform. Here's how it works. When a customer walks in with a broken cell phone, you simply input the details into the software. It handles repair tracking, updates inventory, and even notifies the customer when their device is ready for pickup. But there's more. This software also takes care of your finances. It automatically generates invoices, tracks payments, and provides insightful financial reports, giving you a clear picture of your business's financial health. And let's not forget about customer relationship management. The software keeps a record of every customer interaction, helping you build stronger relationships and boost customer loyalty. In a nutshell, this smart management software is more than just a tool. It's a game changer for cell phone repair shops. It simplifies operations, enhances efficiency, and ultimately boosts profits. So why wait? Your business deserves the best.